Today we'll talk about how can you create an invoice on your Wix app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. So you just go down, click on manage down here, just click on it. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on getting paid. Then you click on manage invoices, just click on it. It's going to take you to this list. You just waiting to open with you. Click here on create an invoices here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Add your business name here. So then here business email, your photo profile if you want to add it. Click here on save and continue here. Then it's going to create with you. So that's all you have to do. I wish you a great. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.